Ignatius is under 2 books by his sister-in-law. One of the books was on the life of Christ and the other on the lives of saints. As Ignatius began reading these books, his perspective of life kind of changes. He becomes more meditative and attentive to his feelings and his thoughts. He begins writing down these feelings and these thoughts, an exercise which he actually carries on with the rest of his life. And as he went on to read the next book on the lives of saints, he is also captivated by how the author had presented saints. According to the author, the saints were knights of God. They fought under the banner of eternal Prince, Jesus Christ. The use of such images and such words kind of spoke to Ignatius. As a soldier, he related to these words. Thus, he begins entertaining a thought of being a knight for God. We find him comparing himself with the saints. And he says, if St. Francis of Assisi did this, I should also do it. If St. Dominic did this, I should also do it. But as Ignatius was, he also had other thoughts. It tells us that he was also preoccupied and daydreaming about impressing a noble lady whose identity is not known to us. But now that he was a changed man somehow, he was aware of how the both dreams or thoughts left him. The thoughts of impressing a noble lady left him dry, dissatisfied, gloomy, desolated. But the thoughts of serving as a knight for God left him spirited, energetic, exuberant, and consoled. Thus, when he recovers fully, he decides to go for a pilgrimage. His idea was to go to Montserrat at the shrine of Our Lady, and then from there proceeds to Jerusalem, and maybe later on join the Carthusian. But his brother tries to kind of prevent him from doing that. He escapes and goes to Montserrat. We shall see what happens from Montserrat on.